Good morning, AP Stats students. Mr. Anderson coming at you Friday, April 17th, 2020. Just got back from a run this morning. Nice weather out. It's going to be a nice day today. Hopefully, you get the opportunity to step outside and enjoy some of nature. Right, get a little sun, feel some sun on your shoulders, stuff like that. A couple things I just wanted to go over today. Make sure everyone's aware of. I'm going to try to keep this one nice and short today. I've done a couple modifications to our Schoology page. Our Khan Academy join code is now listed in the link. For those of us who haven't logged into Khan Academy yet, I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to walk through that process by the end of this video today. And if you need help, you'll just have to follow what you see on the video to be able to do it. After we're done with that, maybe you're gonna have everything you need. I see my kids sneaking around in the bathroom in the background there. That's my daughter Hannah. She's in second grade. She's got her own distance learning that she needs to do for a moment. So real quick, the first thing I need you to address is how to put it, the power of mistakes folder here that's pink. I want you to check out these two frappies. I want you to participate in the discussion. I am giving you guys points for that, so hit that if you haven't hit it already. All right. The other thing that you want to make sure you're checking out on a daily basis is our calendar. All right. Today is the 17th, and all of these items that are listed here are going to be due by 11:59 tonight. So tackle those. Those are going into the grade book. The exercises, the videos are just intended to help you with the exercises. Remember, you can take the video, watch videos as many times as you want, obviously, but you can take the exercises and try them as many times as you want to without any sort of penalty. It's only going to give you the highest score. Why not shoot for that 100%, right? I don't capture them until sometime on Saturday morning when I wake up, because I'm obviously not awake at 11:59 on Friday. I apologize if you thought I was, right? Okay, so knock those things out. Next week, we got another quiz coming and then an assessment coming. I'll have more information about what that's going to look like next week, but be ready for those, right? Last thing then today, right? After you've done the power of mistakes discussion and the Khan Academy stuff, if you still haven't logged into Khan Academy, if you've already logged in and you're good, you probably stop watching this video. But if you haven't logged in, I'm going to walk through that. It'll only take a second. You'll see exactly what it is I'm trying to show you guys here. You can click on this link, and when you do, it's going to bring you to Khan Academy. Now, I already made a fake account, like I'm a student. And when you get logged in, you got to throw up your birth date. You got to come up with your first and last name. That's all you need. But if you just click on, like, for example, my courses, you maybe don't see our AP Stats stuff. You can see that this account is already logged into my Algebra 1, my nonlinear class that I teach second and seventh hour. So you're not going to see AP Stats stuff. But if you click on Teachers, which is going to be over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see the opportunity here to enter a join code. That's the exact join code that I've got posted in our link there on Schoology. And for us, that is JTPFD72M. All right? JTPFD72M. I type that and I click join, and ta-da, there you go. AP Stats, Park Center Senior High, Mr. Anderson. You click onward, and now you're going to have the ability to see all of those things in assignments, right? Actually, you know what? I forgot one step. Those of you guys who've tried this know what step I'm talking about. Once you've done that, you've got to email me, and I've got to grant you access. So over here on the other screen that I've got over here, you can see, I'm sorry, you can't see it, but I'm just going to make a quick click here, and I'm going to give this account access real fast. Update. Okay, now I can come back over here, and I can refresh this. It'll think for a second. And now, maybe, there it is, AP Stats assignments. All right, I can click on assignments, and now you can see all of the assignments that I can start working through that are due, and so on and so forth. Okay, so check that out. If you're still having trouble, let me know. Remember, I have office hours every single day from 9 to 11. If you need to meet outside of those times, holler at me. We can probably work it out. You just click on the link that's in this folder. It's really gosh darn easy. I appreciate it when kids do that from their Chromebook, because then they can share their screen with me and I can see that that problem maybe, and I can talk you through that. Hope you're having a great start to your day. I hope you are taking care of business, and if not, you're asking questions. I also hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're safe. If we reflect on this, it kind of sucks on a Friday. That's going to be a nice day outside to have to be sheltering in place and hunkered down, social distancing. But I said this yesterday, I'm going to repeat it. You'll probably hear me say this a lot. The fact that we're doing this today means that we're one day closer to not having to do this anymore. Okay? And I can't wait until I have the opportunity to see you again. All right? Have a wonderful day, and reach out to me if you need anything. Thank you. Bye-bye.